Hey everybody, it's Neil. I got the POPULO, and this is like a drain auger. It is cordless, so that kind of will save you time and effort of unclogging a drain. The plumber might not use this. Ooh, smells like plastic. The plumber might not use this because it'll finish the job too quickly. But let's see what we got here with all the pieces and parts. I guess these are probably battery in this one. I'll show you. I have it balancing on a step ladder. That's probably a bad idea. I have a battery. I have a battery charger. We have some gloves. We have the instructions. Actually, I don't want this to blow out the window. We have a handle for us, possibly, or maybe this is what goes in the pipe to augerize it. Oh, and then we have the auger here. I'll take this out in a second, and we have a bag. So it makes it nice and convenient. You can carry it with you anywhere. So it's actually cool. I like this bag. Okay, so let's see if we can figure out how this thing works here. So this is it here. It's got some weight to it. It's going to have a nice long auger bit there. Here is our battery. It works. So I'm going to guess that if we go, this is going to auger out. How you get it out and in? Might have to read the instructions and let's put this thing on too. So this is what's going to be. Yeah, this will lock onto it somehow. Exactly sure. Oh, this is going to unlock, so we can put this piece on it. I see. So if we want to stick it into the drain and get it going up front, we have that. So that's good for that. So there we go. So we have two different ways of using it. That's what that is for. Let me figure out how to get it augering here. What do I have to do? Forward and reverse. Forward. Reverse. Ah, there we go. Backwards, yeah, reverse. I guess reverse puts it out and forward brings it back in. So I'm going to just show you guys it. We have a pipe here, which is a pipe to nowhere. Right now it's not clogged, but we're going to give this thing a go and see what it does. So I just put it on there, and I've got it going. And once this hit a turn, and I stopped it, hit another turn. And it's I don't know if it's coming out. It actually comes out the wall open this way somewhere. Ah, and I see it. If you look out the window here, you can see I augered my way all the way through. And then if I want to bring it back, I turn it around the other way and should be reeling it back in now. And eventually it will reel back. Oh, it's heavy. We go, we made it back. How cool is that? This is a great little auger. Oh my gosh, could you imagine cranking that thing by hand? So if you've got something far out there that's clogged up, this thing is going to get it for you. And this is awesome the way it's battery powered like this. You just take it anywhere, and it had power. I could feel this thing cranking away. So this is really nice. It's 20 volts, so it's super powerful, more powerful than my other batteries for my cordless drills and stuff even. So this is great. So definitely love it. And then this one here will let you get some just other areas if you're getting around the corner or something you just can't reach to get in there. It'll help you out. So super cool. And it comes with the battery charger and everything. Here's the instructions. I didn't need those even to get it going. You saw we had this thing in 3 or 4 minutes and it's already working. So totally cool. Figured it all out. Love it. Thumbs up.